log base a of x times y is equal to log base a of x plus log base a of y, provided a, x, and y are positive and a does not equal 1. This is called the product rule for logarithms. Sometimes we use this rule to expand a single logarithm into multiple logarithms going from the left side to the right side. Sometimes we use this rule to combine logarithms going from the right side back to the left side. Let's do quick examples of going in both directions. Starting with going from the left side to the right side, consider log base 10 of 5 times the quantity x plus 1. We can use this property when the operation between two terms is multiplication within our logarithm. Here we are multiplying our first term 5 with our second term x plus 1, and so we can expand this single logarithm into the sum of two logarithms. The first is log base 10 of 5, so log base 10 of our first term, adding the second logarithm, which is log base 10 of x plus 1, so log base 10 of our second term. Here we've rewritten our single logarithm as the sum of two logarithms. Essentially, we've gone from the left side to the right side of our rule. Any single logarithm with a positive base that contains the product of two terms can be expanded into the sum of two logarithms of the same base, each containing one of the two terms from our product within the single logarithm. Consider this example here, natural log of x plus natural log of x squared minus 3. If we are told to rewrite this as a single logarithm, we would be moving from the right side of the rule back to the left side of the rule. Since both of our logarithms have a common base, the base of both of these being e, we can rewrite this as a single logarithm, which is natural log of the term in the first logarithm, which is x, multiplied by the term of the second logarithm, which is x squared minus 3. So our single logarithm is natural log of x times the quantity x squared minus 3. Any sum of two logarithms with a matching positive base that is not equal to 1 can be rewritten as a single logarithm with the same base containing the product of the terms within the two logarithms. Now let's talk about some common issues you might run into where you might end up using this rule the wrong way. A common issue when moving from the right side to the left side is the bases of the logarithms not being the same. For instance, log base 5 of x plus log base 10 of y cannot be combined into a single logarithm because their base is not the same. A common issue when going from the left side to the right side is the operation within the single logarithm. For instance, log base 10 of x plus y is not equal to log base 10 of x plus log base 10 of y. The operation between your two terms must be multiplication within your single logarithm. That's why this is called the product rule for logarithms. For more logarithm videos, check out this playlist here. I'm Joe, and thanks for spending some time with me.